Welcome to my channel, and if you're new, please subscribe and hit the notification button for future tutorials. I am using the Too Faced Born This Way The Natural Nudes palette. This palette has been my go-to. I'm starting out with the shade Nude, which is the perfect transition shade, and I'm blending this right into my crease using a Morphe JH32. I'm just blending this all over. Blending is key to a perfect brown smoky eye, so I am just blending this into the crease, above the crease, and I'm just blending. Next, I'm going in with the shade Maple. This is my top favorite shade in this entire palette. I just love the tone of this brown. It's just so perfect. And I am using a Morphe M433, and I'm just blending this also into the crease area, and I'm just darkening up that crease. Next, I'm going with the shade Cocoa, which is my second favorite shade in this palette, and I'm using a JH Morphe 38, and I'm just really focusing this right into the crease area, right into that fold, just really darken it up in that area, and then I'm just going to blend it up into the other shades. If you can't tell, like Cocoa and Maple are just beautiful matte browns together. They're the perfect duo. I just love them together. I'm gonna wear so many looks with these two because together they just are so complementary. Next, I'm going in with the shade Truffle, which is the darkest shade in this palette, and I'm just really gonna smoke out this look with this shade. I'm using patting and blending motions, and I'm also using the JH33. And I am just really patting this, making sure it's close to the lash line, blending it up into the crease. It's a beautiful, dark, rich tone brown. It's like the perfect chocolate shade. And I'm just making sure to blend this right into the crease, right in the lash line, just really smoking out this look. Next, I'm gonna smoke out the bottom lash line with Cocoa, and I'm using a JH38 by Morphe. And I am just really going to add balance to this look by smoking out the bottom lash line. So I'm just building up this color and blending it out. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Maple on a Morphe M433. Of course, this is Cocoa's perfect duo. I just love these two together. If you can just see in this shot how Cocoa and Maple just complement each other so well. I'm just blending out all my edges, making sure everything's nice and smooth. Definitely making sure the bottom lash line is very blended. So this look really doesn't need a wing, but I'm gonna add one just because I was feeling it that day. I am using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm just adding this very sharp wing. An all matte look like this really needs just a little bit of highlight in the inner corner. So I'm going in with Becca Moonstone Highlight. I'm just using a small brush. And then I'm going to define my brow by highlighting a little bit on the brow bone. So next, I'm just going to prime my waterline with some Rimmel London Nude eyeliner, and then I'm going to apply the shade Golden Light wet by using Pretty Fresh setting spray by ColourPop. I'm using the Morphe JH43, and I'm just packing this gold shade right on top of that nude eyeliner to give myself a gold eyeliner look. I'm then going to apply some Pretty and Petite mascara to my top and bottom lash lines before applying my false lashes. I'm then applying the Style Twilight by the brand Kiss false lashes, and then that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe.